If you're looking to learn how to use Murf AI within your Canva account, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So stick close and let's get started. All right, so we're in Canva, we're in a design. So you need to be in a design. We're going to go over to the left-hand side, you'll see apps. Let's click on apps. When we're in apps, we're going to go to the top and we're going to search Canva apps. Let's go ahead and type in Murf AI. So once Murf AI has come up, you can see it is this one over here. Let's go ahead and click on it. It'll load up and you can see here that everything is available for you to use. Now, I have used it before, so I have connected my Murf AI account with my Canva account. It basically just asks you permission to connect the two spaces, and it's pretty simple. You're going to go now and you can select your language. I'm going to go ahead and choose English, India. I can now select a voice. So let's have a look at what we have here. Okay, that's great. So I'm going to use this one. So it's already selected because it has the purple bar around it. We're going to go down. You can see here you can choose your text. So I have pre-filled, click here to subscribe. You can also choose your style. Let's choose the only style that's available for this voice. And then we can choose our speed and pitch. And when we're done, we can just preview the voiceover.
Click here to subscribe.
All right, there we go. That is fantastic. So now it is here and you can go ahead and you can actually add it. So it does say though that to add this voiceover to your design, you need to upgrade your account, and they give you the pricing link over here. So you will need to upgrade, but once you upgrade, you can actually add it to your account over here. Alternatively, you can just go straight into Murf and you can actually just generate the voice there and import it and add it to your design.